In this video, you'll learn how to install Power BI as a data analyst in your computer. So the first thing you're going to do, go to your Google search engine, search for Power BI download. Choose the option with download Microsoft Power BI desktop. Click language and click download. A dialog box appears. Select your operating system, either 64-bit or 32-bit. And your download starts. I'm using Internet Download Manager as my default downloader. That's why you've seen my download this way. Once download is done, locate your downloaded file and open it. Click on Next and click on Accept User Agreement. And then just follow the on-screen instruction to fully install your Power BI on your computer. Immediately installation is done, click on Finish and Power BI will automatically be open on your computer. Was this video helpful? Kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.